Synonyms: give, send, obvious, clear, puzzled, confused, pointed, hinting, request, beg, regard, honor, reason, cause, shiver, tremble, stiffen, harden, swear, stern, threaten, warn, link, joint, frightened, afraid, explore, search, dignity, honor, dense, thick, courtyard, compound, cling, stick, buy, purchase, advanced, developed, astonish, amaze, happy, joyful, sad, unhappy, big, large, small, tiny, fast, quick, slow, sluggish, smart, intelligent, dumb, stupid, strong, powerful, weak, feeble, easy, simple, difficult, hard, rich, wealthy, poor, needy, brave, courageous, fearful, afraid, good, excellent, bad, terrible, new, fresh, old, ancient, hot, warm, cold, freezing, friend, companion, enemy, foe, strong, sturdy, weak, fragile, thin, slim, bright, radiant, dark, gloomy, sharp, pointed, dull, blunt, soft, tender, hard, rigid, deep, profound, shallow, superficial, quiet, silent, loud, noisy, clean, tidy, dirty, messy, early, prompt, late, delayed, empty, vacant, full, packed, fast, rapid, slow, lazy, near, close, far, distant, lucky, fortunate, unlucky, miserable, open, unlocked, close, shut, laugh, giggle, cry, weep, strong, mighty, weak, delicate, nice, pleasant, rude, impolite, work, job, lazy, idle, love, passion, dim, faint, soft, fluffy, sweet, sugary, hot, boiling, cold, chilly, smooth, silky, rough, uneven, new, modern, old, antique, mean, cruel, healthy, fit, sick, ill, hard, tough, soft, gentle, fast, swift, loud, roaring, safe, secure, dangerous, risky, easy, effortless, rich, affluent, hostile, aggressive, angry, angry, furious, calm, peaceful, noisy, loud, silent, hushed, fair, just, alive, living,